Today I'm going to be teaching you about how to find PebbleGo in Google Classroom. So, do you guys know how easy it can be to find PebbleGo in Google Classroom? Probably not, but it's okay. I'm here to show you. So let's find out. Alright friends, so now I'm going to show you how to find PebbleGo in Google Classroom with 4 simple steps. First, we are going to open Google and we are going to be looking at the 9 dots on the top right of our page, which is going to be right here. So a lot of times we like to call it a waffle. Okay, so you're going to be looking for the waffle. Once you found the waffle, you're going to click it and you're going to see a bunch of groups of apps. So you're going to scroll down and it's going to be our 8th column all the way to our right. And you're going to be looking for the logo that says Google Classroom, which should be all the way to the right. After you found Google Classroom, you're going to click on the logo. Once you have clicked it, it is going to take you to all the classes that you have signed up for through Google Classroom. Now you're going to click on Miss Jimenez's classroom. So you have to look all for Miss Jimenez's classroom, which is right here, and you're going to click on it. After you click on it, it's going to have our next step, which is scrolling down and finding our link to PebbleGo. So once we have scrolled down, we see our link that says PebbleGo. We can click the link, which would take us right to PebbleGo. Also, this is in our stream, also our homepage. So we don't need to click any other buttons once we click Miss Jimenez's class. Also, the username and password is written in the steps on the top where the link is. Alright, so now we need to make sure we know all our steps for how to get into Google Classroom and then get onto PebbleGo. So alright friends, I'm going to tell you the steps that we just went through. Step 1, we're going to open Google and find our waffle or the 9 dots. Step 2, we are going to scroll all the way down until we find the Google Classroom logo. Once we found the Google Classroom logo, our step 3 is to click on Miss Jimenez's class because you're going to have a lot of different classes. So that's going to be our step 3. Then our step 4 is to scroll down on our homepage, or it's also called our stream, and you're going to see the link to PebbleGo, which is right here. And we're going to write in our username and password when we click the link. And it's as simple as that. So now the PowerPoint is going to be posted in Google Classroom for you guys to review if needed. And remember, on my slide it says the purpose of Google Classroom is to easily access the resources we are going to be using in class. So all the resources we are going to be using in class are going to be either on Google Classroom or Clever. Okay? So I hope you really enjoyed this presentation, and I hope it helped you understand how to use Google Classroom, how to get to Google Classroom and access PebbleGo. So thank you guys for watching and listening, and I hope you all have a great afternoon. Bye.